Hey everyone, it's Tiana. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an everyday makeup routine. It takes less than 5 minutes to do. This is including washing my face and some skincare. So let's go. How did I get so weird when the camera's on, yo? It's not cool. To wash my face, I use the Roche Posay Deep Cleansing Foaming Cream. It's good for oily skin too, which I definitely do have oily skin, especially in my T-zone. So this is good for me. Okay, I just finished washing my face and then now I'm gonna use a really thick moisturizer. This is the La Prairie Switzerland Skin Caviar. She's so gorgeous though, look at her. And it even comes with a little spatula, like how cute. Just take a little bit. It smells so good too. It smells expensive. Really working those muscles. Take the time to really like incorporate it in. I literally feel like a new woman already. Crazy. Now we're done with skincare, so we're gonna go on with the makeup. I literally use 5 products and then an eyelash curler, but let's get into that part. Up close and personal, hi! The first product I'm gonna use is the Glossier Boy Brow Arch in dark brown. I'm just gonna take off the 2 sides, brush through my brows, and I'm gonna fill in where needed. So usually I like to do the inside because it's a little bit sparse. Next I like to flick the tail end of it. I'm just doing little strokes. Like melt it into the middle part as well. And then doing the tail really quick. A little color in there. Brush her out. Make her look a little natural. That's one brow done. And then this is the other one that's undone. So I'm gonna do this one and then come back. Okay, so we're done with the brows. So next we're gonna go onto the eyes. I'm gonna curl my lashes with the Chanel eyelash curler first. I always look down when I'm curling my lashes so it gets to the root, the base of the eyelashes more. Good curl. I tilt it inwards like this and this to get the corners, the inner corners. This is an uncurled lash and then this is the curled one. Big difference, y'all. I've definitely caught my skin in the curler before. It does not feel well, but it's giving. It's definitely a huge difference. Really opens up the eyes and gives a little bit more life into you. So the mascara I use is the Glossier Lash Slick in brown. Brown mascara is always like a go-to for redheads. If you know, you know. But I love the applicator on this. It's kind of small, which I like personally in a mascara. And the consistency isn't clumpy like some mascaras tend to be. Just gonna look down and feather the lashes up. I'm doing like half blinks too, so it doesn't get on the bottom. And then I personally like a cat eye. If I'm doing my left eye, I'll look down and to the right to get the cat eye effect going outwards without eyeliner. So looking down and to the right, and then fan the opposite way with the mascara. Same thing goes with the right eye, so if I'm looking down and to the left and then fanning out the opposite way, it gives... Honestly, I could stop here, but I do like a lip, so I'm also gonna go in with the Glossier lip line in Graze. This one's kind of like the same color as my lips, so it just like touches up like the discolored parts. Questionable. Honestly, I don't care if it's messy. I kind of like a messy lip liner. I don't like it when it's too like precise, you know? And over that, I'm going to use the badescu acai and vanilla lip balm. Just give some hydration to the lips and kind of like blend out the lip liner as well. The last thing I'm going to apply is the Laura Mercier liquid highlighter in champagne pink. And I put this as a blush slash highlighter, so I put it right here on the tip of my nose, inner corners, on my brow bone, and then on my cheekbone. So here, here, in your corners. And then brow bone. I don't use any brushes or anything for like if I'm doing fast makeup, so I'm just literally gonna go in with my finger and tap it. So this is the final results. It's giving glowy. It's giving no makeup with like a little zhuzh to it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And yeah, bye.